Dear students, in this video, I am going to explain you about arguments and parameters. This is the topic of this video, arguments and parameters. First, I am going to explain you about this topic using one program. This is the program, already I have made it. This program multiplies two numbers and prints the result here. See here, this is the function header. The name of the function is multiply. There are two variables here, A and B. And these variables are called as parameters because these variables are passed when function is defined. Now we are calling the function here. See this one here. I have this one thing you keep in your mind when we call the function. It is called as main part of a program. Here I have used one variable. Its value is 3. The name of the variable is y. Multiply 12 comma y. 12 is a integer literal here, and this is the argument here. There is a difference between the two definitions here, argument and parameters. Arguments are Python refers, you learn this definition, to the values being passed as arguments, parameters, values being received as parameters. We can interchange these two definitions when we use formal and actual. Formal parameters are passed when the function is defined, and these parameters are passed in the function header, and arguments are passed when the function is called. Now I am coming to the program. Now here again I am calling the function here using two parameters. You can say not a parameter, you say argument here. Or when we use parameter, or we can say when we interchange these two words, arguments and parameters, then you use formal and actual. Formal parameters are passed when function is defined, and actual parameters are passed when function is called. Otherwise you use two terms. This one A and B are parameters here, and when we call the function, see here we are calling the function, and y and x are called as arguments here. Here I have called the function 6 times, and this definition, or you can say this with this function call. Here I am writing the name of a function call using a comment. Function call 1 as function call 2 here. Function call 3. See this one, these are comments here, and the comment enhances the readability of a program. Now with this function call, the variable A and B in a function header will receive 12 and y, means 12 copies to A and the value of y it copies to B here. Then the function calculates. In this function call, the variable a and b in function header will receive values y and y. And in this function call 3, the variables a and b receives values y and x. Now again I am calling the function here, multiply 3 comma 4. Now there is some difference. Here I passed in this function call 3, I passed variables. Now here I am passing literals, integer literals. These are also called as arguments. Both these are called as literal argument, integer literal arguments. Now again I am calling p equal to 9, multiply p comma 5. Then here's one literal term I am using here, one literal I am using, and one is variable argument. Multiply p comma p plus 1. See this one here. Here I am using one variable, one is an expression argument. But one thing you keep in your mind, Python reports error when you use such type of function definition. Multiply a plus 1 comma b. It is an error here. You could not pass as a parameter. Means you could not pass expression as a parameter in function header. So the difference between argument and parameter is when the function is defined, these parameters are called as means you can say formal parameters, or you say basically these are called as parameters, and variables are passed when the function is called, they are called as arguments. But you can use this term also when you will read in the internet, or you can say when you read in book, there are terms formal arguments or formal parameters. Means the values received in the function definition header are called as parameters, and the values being passed through a function called statement are called arguments, and basically they are also called as actual arguments or actual parameters. But if you are confused with these terms actual and formal, you use the terms arguments and parameters. Again I am repeating the definition. Parameters are values being received as parameters, means values being received as parameters, and arguments means when we call the function, at that time we pass variables, they are called as arguments, and parameters are passed when the function is defined. Thank you.